So here are the driver for the different model X, Y, Z, E1, E2. So if you have any one of them broken, you can replace it by just one driver. For example, let me drive the Y. If the Y is broken, so I need to replace it. Make sure you have wearing the glove, so you in your hand you don't have electricity to burn the chips. So just you may need one of the screwdriver. First, to lose it, you pull this up a little bit, one side up, and you keep going the other side. All right, can you see it's so the Y, the driver is a little bit loose. Then you can use your hand to pull this off. Okay, all right, so you have pull this off, and check on one side of it, it's a green connector. On other side is black. So when you have the new one side is green, one side is black, and you must match green for green, black for black, and invert the pin into it, and push down. Okay, so you have replaced the driver. Thank you for your watching.